Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure the phone has enough power and is unlocked. This prevents interruptions. Open Settings now, tap the gear icon from the drawer or swipe down and use the shortcut. If Developer Options is visible, move to the next step. If not, tap About Phone, find build number, and tap it 7 times to reveal Developer Options. Once done, return to Settings where Developer Options will appear as an entry under System or Advanced. You're now inside Developer Options. Take a quick scan to avoid inadvertently changing unrelated settings. Scroll down to the Debugging section and locate USB Debugging. When you find the USB Debugging switch, tap it to change state. If it's currently on, you'll see a confirmation dialog asking to allow USB Debugging. Confirm to disable. Make sure to watch the toggle change to off. This disables ADB access from a connected computer and secures the device. You finish by verifying the USB debugging toggle is set to off and then exit settings. This completes the disable process and returns the phone to normal security posture. If Developer Options disappeared, repeat the build number activation process and check again. If the toggle won't change or the setting resets, reboot the J7 Max and retry the steps. Persistent failures can be resolved by clearing settings cache or performing a safe mode test to identify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.